friends. Thanks for being with us at Lifeline today. I'm going to show you a little bit about our foundational product, which is the cables themselves. These cables are multiple dipped latex, much like a candle that's been dipped over and over. They don't relate to any other stretch cords or bands on the market. You'll see right away that the triple grip handle right here is completely different from anything that you'd see. We have the multiple cable insertions, and right now we have 3 different cables in the unit. The cables very simply pop into the unit by taking them out and bringing them right in like this, one at a time. You always want the thicker or bigger cable in the middle. If you only have 1 cable in, you want it in the middle. They drop like this and they're ready for action. What I want you to see also is that we have our door attachment strap. This is something unique to our product as well, first invented by Lifeline. This strap goes into the door, slides through the hinge side of the door, and then you draw the door shut on it, thereby providing the possibilities for a myriad of exercises. Now, there are cables available in strengths from 10 pounds up to 210 pounds, given that there are 3 of them in here at once. There's a possibility of buying 10 different cables, but in another short video you'll see on the site called Your Basic Cable Order, we'll describe to you why you only need to have certain cables, because when you put them together in multiples, they come out to be the same number. Like a 4 and a 1 cable equals a 5, so you don't need a 5, is what I'm saying. I want you to know also about the strengths of these cables. Any cable or number of cables, when it rests at full length with the handles, is 2.5 feet. When you stretch them to twice that relaxed length, they become the number times 10. In other words, if you have a number 2 cable in, when you stretch it out to 5 feet, it becomes 20 pounds. Number 2 is 20. A number 4 would be 40. And this yellow number 7 would be 70. And now I've affixed the cables into the door, and I'll show you again. From 2.5 feet, if I come out to 5 feet, I have now become what the totality of numbers of these are. So now I have a number 7 and a number 2 cable in. So when I get out to twice the relaxed length, that's 9 or 90 pounds. So when I go to the exercise choices, I have to consider that right away. Step forward, and I start here at about 40 pounds and go out to 90 pounds at the end, back to about 30, back here again. You can have any number you want in these cables, from 1 pound up to over 200 pounds. Imagine 3 yellow cables in the receptacles, each one a number 7. 3 times 7 is 21, or 210 pounds. There are a myriad of exercise choices available for the basic body parts. You can press, or flat, for chest. There are a myriad of functional training opportunities with this cable system, but in the videos that are offered with this, we'll show you exactly how to use these cables effectively to train the muscles that elite athletes use: chest, back, shoulders, legs, arms, abs, and low back. 2 videos, an introductory one for raw beginners, and then a more advanced cables in action. They're both valuable and wonderful adjuncts to these cables.